Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this egg and potato curry. This is a great side dish for rotia, chapati, parathas, naan, or even for rice. Only the consistency would change. I'm going to show you guys how to make this delicious egg curry recipe. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now. That way you don't miss on upcoming videos. To start here, I have kadai. To this I have added 3 to 4 tablespoon oil. And to this, once it's warm, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon turmeric powder. Keep it low so that it doesn't burn the flame. 1 tablespoon chili powder or Kashmiri chili powder would work if you want to reduce the heat. And then I'm also adding 1 teaspoon salt. Go ahead and mix them well and just saute this for a couple seconds, around like 10 seconds. To this, I'm going to add the boiled egg. Now you can add up to 5 to 8 eggs. I'm adding a couple eggs and just fry for a minute on medium heat. Now you want to make sure you want to keep the masala not burnt. At the same time, you also want the egg to have this nice color and the coating and the crisp. Now transfer the eggs to the plate and set it aside. To the same oil, I'm adding 1 teaspoon fennel seed, ½ inch cinnamon stick. Go ahead and saute them until nice aroma releases. And to this, I'm adding 6 small potatoes that cut into half and then fry for 5 minutes. And once it is fried for 5 minutes, just set it aside. Now the oil is still on medium heat. We are not cooked through the potatoes, but we will cook them later on. Now in the same oil, I'm adding 1 large onion, finely sliced or finely chopped, and then go ahead and saute them in the same oil. Now make sure you saute them until it's nice and translucent. To this, I'm adding 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. You also can add ginger and garlic grated or finely chopped as well. 10 curry leaves and chilies 3 or as you want it, depending on the spice level. Go ahead and saute this for a minute, and then to this I'm going to add masalas, but make sure the oil separates first, and then go ahead and add 1 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Go ahead and saute this for a minute. Now here I have pureed 3 tomatoes, medium size, and then go ahead and add that and give it a quick mix and bring it to a boil. And once it comes to a boil, cover this and cook until the oil separates. In meanwhile, here I have 1 tablespoon Bengal gram or a chana dal powder, and to this I'm adding 3 to 4 tablespoon hot water. Just make sure there is no lump, because when we add them directly to the curry, it will tend to have a lot of lumps. To avoid that, we are going to make into a smooth paste before we add it to the curry. Now let's just set it aside and let's check the masala. Go ahead and stir in between so that it doesn't have any burnt edges. Go ahead and cover and cook until the oil separates. As you can see, the oil is nicely separated. Now go ahead and give it a quick mix. And now to this, I'm going to add the Bengal gram flour that we added the water and made a paste. So we go ahead, add that and give it a quick mix. And once you see it kind of thickens up a little bit, cover to cook for another couple minutes until you see the oil separates well and the raw aroma leaves from the Bengal gram. Now once you see the oil separated, now it's time to add the potatoes. As you know, the potato is not cooked through, so this is the time you're going to cook the potatoes. Go ahead and give it a quick mix with the masala, and we want to make sure we add the boiling water here. It's very important. Here I'm adding 1 to 2 cups of boiling water, depending on how much gravy you want, depending on if you want to use for rice or you want to use it for the bread or parathas. So go ahead and add the water depending on the consistency level you want, and now go ahead and cook it on low heat for 5 to 7 minutes. I cooked for 6 minutes. Just make sure your potatoes are just cooked through. It's not too soggy. You don't want the potatoes to be too mushy in the curry. That's definitely not gonna be nice. So now the potatoes just perfectly cooked through, and now at this point I'm going to add the eggs that I've fried earlier. And to this I'm adding ½ teaspoon garam masala. Just sprinkle it around. 1 tablespoon dry fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi. Just crush it with your palm and just add it. And handful of cilantro, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Mix it well again and again. It's the time to check all the seasoning and then adjust it. And go ahead and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until the oil separates. As you can see, the oil is beautifully separated from the edges. At this time, I'm going to garnish with some more cilantro and serve this with choice of your parathas or rice. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know. I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, take care guys. Bye.